August ni som pani sang ni som ni paruk ani USS Abraham Lincoln ai hian in United States sipaite in kara boina a chuaka alo in that cheu mai ni ome he thila he video hin kan ron ri kang eng wange nge omzia eng thil nge eng tin nge ni zel don ti te an ron soi zau don ani chumi ma chuanin he kan en photang
Kovel hua pa bengdar hearing aid branch ber om hi lo me sha ve to em Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic Hmar traffic point bulmai om kan ni a hela hian bengdar imamotu sang kan kola invisible lang theilau rechargeable le waterproof te kan neya bengdar hi ilei ma in hearing aid trial avwa chin na hin nei thei vekani bengdar vwa shom le min lo wanga mamo si vwa du lo te an om lo na he hearing aid trial hi kal puyani bengdar lui emo cheto eng company po exchange kan ti thei renge tin kung upalamtan clinic pan har samai theya appointment kal tlangin inom na muna kan pan thei bok chewani Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic hi among tatat kan om ringa minang pan ve chel donya
Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic te bengdar vo fu lo te tonglama har sanani tan po khanin anrin thak emani
So what really is happening around the USS Abraham Lincoln? A report claimed that 7 U.S. Navy personnel were killed and several others wounded in a violent clash aboard the U.S. aircraft carrier.
U.S. aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln US in dolong lian tak maya hianin US Navy te in kara buena at chuaka mi pasari la in nunna an han chana ni arap tha khop mai in sual buai awanga nunna han chan chu dro aning khoi na thok hat ve le ni turani he report hi adikani chuan tin mi pasari an thi ba ka hianin mitam takin liam an tuar bok ani rap tha khop mai
The tensions reportedly began after a CENTCOM advisor faced angry crew members over complaints about the prolonged deployment.
CENTCOM advisor pakhat hianin US Navy tam tak sipai tam tak te kha an lung oilo kha I awam ma chona ni te an indoor te pawnia nga anin bia te pawnia nga achan chu sipai tam tak te khanin reilu tuk tak mai atianga I tirchu an ni le engtika kan hodon te kan le theyang kan hove theyang kan cholve theyang ti angchi vel te pokha an lo ril thalo nge khatianga rei tak mai USS Abraham Lincoln na sipai te tirchu an ni nuwa khanin sipai te kha an do theina kha atlem chanani so wan chonin an lung oilo ta chu te an lung oilo chu CENTCOM Central Command Advisor pakhat kha an lung oilo na ten thlen ve ni ngei turani amaro chu khatianga anin biak na vela khan hetiang buaina hi aron chuak taru mai ni na langani
According to the allegation, the confrontation escalated into a violent fight involving knives, leaving 7 personnel reportedly dead and several others wounded.
Anin sual chiang khopa mitam tak an liam na tura chuan tahianin knives and other bladed weapons chhungte te chuanin man rodang te po mantel ani bok ani nia tianga chhungte an mantel to hi chuanin thi kha chu an ompok amak san lutuk love leaving 7 personnel dead and several others arap thak khop mai he thila hi thil tak ani chuanin arap thak don hle mai United States sipaite in lungrual tak emokan ti line United States lama hian har sana engma a omlo emokan ti line hetiang hian in buaina hi an lo nei ru ve reng ti na ni
Another report stated that 6 sailors have allegedly tried to jump from the carrier. The most recent case was reported last Monday.
Monday kalta khan news dang pakhatina a report le ni chon he poi adikan I chon in avan rap thak le don vetro heta hianin Abraham Lincoln USS Abraham Lincoln khami in dolong lian dewa tang khanin mi paruk zuan thla kan tumani eng tin tak nge nin en kol ga thiam lawa cho ei tur tlem nge an mamo cha khai ang chi ten in dai lo nge an stress to lutuk nge an mental health dik to lo nge an ril risel te po hin tuar ve mai theini sipai te himo ei mi paruk lai mai zuan thak an tuma maro chu an zuang thata nge ta lo chu jiek chuang lowa ta hianin zuan thak an tum ti ringot alani
Last Monday, the claims have been linked to the extreme conditions the crew is said to be facing.
Extreme conditions the crew is said to be facing ta hianin sipai te tan hianin alone wampak don lo ni helai vel om hituna tak chuan
The US Navy has remained silent on the reported incident.
US Navy so ni neng mala soilo nakina anron confirm tu ranga ila achan chu hetiang hi thudik lo hi alo ni le pal hianin apoi thina confidewa kedina lo rik pop te po himo chu wang chuanin adikani chuanin kati zel na san kha adikani chuanin arap tha ngodang
But the families of sailors on board are now speaking out. And their complaints paint a troubling picture.
Lokso, a sipai te ai mai in sipai chhungte, tunai hian in lung oilo vai na ron tawngchhuak ani. A sipai chhungte kilai USS Abraham Lincoln a omve sipai. Chu mi chhungte chu ho US ramatrain ani ang lung oilo vai na ron tawngchhuak ani.
Military families say their loved ones are struggling with poor conditions aboard the Lincoln. They confronted acting US Navy Secretary Hmar over what they described as worsening conditions.
US Navy ai opakhat hi in soifi turin le khatianga an lung oilo na te kha sipai chhungte hi in vathlen ani o.
And the anger did not end there. During a separate virtual meeting later that night, Navy leadership faced more questions from families of the
Navy lampang ho tu te hian in Navy chhungte sipai chhungte atang hian in zo na sa zok an dong le ani an hu apokhan virtual meeting an nei online meeting
roughly 5,000 sailors and marines.
Chuanin hemi news hi karin dan chuanin khang an chhungte atang aron ti leak out te pokha ani mai thei ani ani lo chuanin US lampang hi chan report du don lo shrim hetiang thil rap thak lutuk an mani in do longa thleng hi mo an soi chok du don lo shrim amaro chu khang sipai thita te emo liam tur te chhungte ha khatiang lung oilo te kha khang te kha an ron tawngchhuak to po ani thei tu na he mo
serving aboard the carrier. Their biggest concern is that morale is falling while basic supplies are running low.
Okay, basic supply ron ti hi asoi chiang si lawa tu nge e tur nge tu na hian an motivate vak to lawa ni or sambera chuan in United States sipai te hi mo.
Families say sailors are sometimes being served just half a cup of rice and 2 tortillas for a meal.
Half a cup of rice le 2 tortillas avatlem rem ve cho e tur mu malan mulo ni hi hemi do longa hian.
The ship's store, they claim, often runs short of basics like soap, deodorant and toothpaste.
Toothpaste te sabon te deodorant in ka rim tuina te perfume te po niang body spray te po mo khang teng te po kha atlem mai ni an in dai lawa ni.
But food and supplies are only a part of the story.
Food le supplies te hi heng teng te hi problem pakhat chawani chuan ador le zonin exhausting shifts hi and duty hun hi angor le ma ni na lang ani tough don khop mai.
Crew members are reportedly working long exhausting shifts with some rarely getting a full day off. Then there are the living conditions, broken toilets, moldy showers with no hot water and a
toilet te po thalo ni na la chuan in buan na po thalawa chuan
according to families no
tuilum man tur pom lawa
laundry service for weeks.
In suk car tam tak an thuam hlo te pon su thei lawa ni.
One parent reportedly said his son had even
kati khamo an chung den ron tawngchhuak kati khamo kati reng kha an mani sipai te chun tawngchhuak du don lo US Navy te pon tawngchhuak du don lo maro chu an chung te lung oilo te US Navy la ka lung oilo te hiting hin ron tawngchhuak ani. Another parent reportedly said his son described seeing holes that have worn through the ship's deck. What?
Even seen holes worn through the ship's deck. For the sailors living through it every day, this is far more than an inconvenience. Several troops' family members have come forward sharing the living conditions. Listen to this.
The morale is not good. Apparently, the ship's doctor or therapist said they need to hit port soon, or people are going to start,
an mental health at hatolo ni hi an omrei to lutuka chuanin longa doctor le therapist an soidan chuanin yalong chon huna kan kallet le vat angai chutian ni lo chuanin kan sipai tam takte an ril ru sel da hian in atin don lo ate ne he chu adik na chen po omve thei tho indo na huna rei tak te hanin char antinan supplies te kha chu tha se ele in te kha dong mumal se sabon te in bol na te in thir na te in su na te ne pangai de mumal de in vek se chu anom theilu tukang khatiang kha don box si lo mo chuanin etika nge an hove theiang cholan lak theiang ti kha engma box si lo te kha din in do longa an ngar maya a boi thak ve fu an ma ni tan po hian mo
losing for accidents.
Go visit. If you want to sit here and you want to say that Trump is taking care of the soldiers, go yourself.
Hey, lela ma chuanin politics te po lo ni thei lo ni pal thei bo asan chu US kon in midterm election an ma chon dona ta hianin Trump te pol te po hi chak lo thei din huna ding thei tho an ni chu wang chuanin midterm election a hianin hetinga thil om turani wang hian hetiang ang news lampang te po hian ron the dar ve te po ani pal thei tho tu te emoni hian mo poisa te in pevel khan thia thil lom thei ani a chan chu hetiang thil hi chu United States sipai te ina hetiang an tor hi United States mi puite hian lung oi don lowa atir chuak tu ang commander in chief chu tungai kan ti zonin Trump pakha ni mai a chu wang chuanin he thil hi chu US midterm election zong te pong hong thei thil ani don tet mai ni khabi kha apoi bo zual kan han ri ka kan han soi zau thei chu ani